First time at Dave Hall's shop. We see all these incredible cars that come over the auction block. Now we see how they're all put together. Great shop. Looking at some of the cars to stock, resto, awesome.
I appreciate you guys stopping by, Craig.
Oh,
Mike.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Wow, man, we talk business.
I know.
Shelby, come here. Hey, Mr. Dave.
How you doing, bud? How's the road trip going?
Good.
You having fun? Good. Hi, how are you guys?
I'm Maria.
I'm Dave. Nice to meet you.
Brad, nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you, sir.
Yeah, Dave.
One of them had 30 miles?
35 miles.
Man, this thing is beautiful.
Thanks, yeah, that's a customer's car. That's 269. Got like 4 of those.
Oh, wow.
If it's the one that I'm thinking it is, it was done here in the States and then went to Canada. This is one of the pro touring cars we're building for the customer.
That's really cool.
It's actually got a blueprint engine in it. There's stroke LS3, 427 cubic inch pipe, 6.25 horse, 6-speed manual trans.
It's got a great stance to it.
Yeah. We haven't done that. That's pretty red interior. Yeah, I love the red interior on black.
But the Burt Reynolds thing, I think everyone connected to, just for our audience in particular, that feeling everybody wanted a moment with him, anyone that got to meet him. I think that was an insanely meaningful thing. So many people were inspired to love these cars by him, and everyone knows that.
And he was such a gentleman. You know, same with Steven Tyler. We gave him direct orders. Do not head towards the crowd. First thing he gets out, yeah, I'm heading to the crowd.
You love the attention.
He did. He loved the attention.
Burt probably would have if he, didn't have to have his cane or something, but.
Crowd serving, he could have.
Oh yeah. He loves the attention. A couple of 73 Super Duty, I got that one from
Tried
Dennis.
the dealership up
There.
I think that's class.
I rebuilt the motor.
How long do you have it?
Oh,
No, I would have sold it to him like 10 years ago.
had it a while. Actually, they,
Plus, maybe more. 10 plus.
And then I got this car, and then I think it was, I think I sold it to Dennis because we just didn't want to transfer it.
it came out of Texas.
Is that where it sold new?
Well,
Now I know where I got the car. I did get it out of Texas. SW over here, a guy he knows that introduced me to him
Yeah.
is the one who I got the car from.
really?
And then I sold it to Dennis because we bought it because we were going to restore it, but then it was towards the end of us doing worldwide muscle cars.
Yeah.
And so then, I sold it to Dennis.
Friend of mine, same class, got a 73 Trans Am, and I thought, I'm gonna blow his doors off. It's a smog motor. You're thinking 73. I didn't know what an SD was. Neither did he. He just bought it. And we go out, he just blew my doors off. And he would never shift it. He just put it low and rev it till it hit red line, and it would just hard shift into second and then hard shift into third.
Wow.
And he just blew my doors off, and I'm like, huh? Well, it's got to be the cubic inches. I'm like, how does an 8.5 to 1 compression car blow my doors off? I didn't know what a Super Duty was, and it had all the smog equipment and all that on it. But
Yeah, when I was younger in Oklahoma, we used to go street racing. I had my 5-liter, Mustang Fox body.
Yep.
And we go racing in the back in the industrial park area all the time. And this guy
Cool.
showed up. I had no idea what one. I found out that night what it.
I
what it
never
said,
speed. Don't use
SD455.
that. If you don't want to sell that, let me know. That'd be the only car I'd be looking for an auto.
Which one's that?
That it matches my friend's car.
The Super Duty.
Yeah, and he actually reached out to me a few years ago because he saw me on TV, and I go, "You still got the car?" I sold it after high school.
That's a white, black interior, 60,000 original mile, 4-speed SD car.
Oh wow.
Came out of Michigan.
Somebody started restoring it.
It's had one owner. So basically, he lost his parents. He was again an eccentric guy, super smart, read all kinds of books, but he had a bunch of rare muscle cars. His friend had known about this car forever, and actually they were high school buddies. So they was starting a machine shop, so he helped him get it out and helped him sell it to me. The guy's like, I'm going to sell it today, but I probably won't sell it tomorrow if I change my mind or I come up with some more money for my business. So we jumped in my dad's Suburban, threw a trailer on the back, and we hit the road. We slept in a rest stop on the way, and we were there bright and early that morning with this guy. And that was my first 73 4-speed Super Duty. I haven't even had time to restore it. I've been so busy, but I've got all the parts. The motor and drivetrain's all done. I've got all the sheet metal now. I've been collecting sheet metal and stuff so we can get it done. That's a neat car. Yeah, that's real cool. I love those cars. It looks rough, but it's actually not as bad as it looks. He house paint a little bit. Rattle can, house paint, just whatever he had. Oh yeah.
Modern.
Yeah? That's good.
Yeah.
Can you get some pictures of that?
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's clean.
It has a Pontiac motor in it still.
Yeah. He was saying how he wanted to have a Butler motor and stuff in it and do something different. Fuel injected.
Very
Hi. Nice to meet you. Thanks for getting the tour.
Yeah.
You gotta catch up with the boys.
Yeah, we'll have to run over there real quick.
You have music too.
That is unreal.
So I've got this one with 35 miles.
35 miles.
I have a 79 Bandit with 16 miles on it. That's cool. I got an 80 pace car with 100 miles on it. Takes me back.
Smell that brand new.
Oh shoot.
Old smell.
Electric RC car.
It has body style moldings, but they're at least they're the tape on ones.
As a nitro.
They're not the drilled ones. Like some of them drilled them into the door. Yeah, it's cool. I made it really cheap.
That's one of the cars Dave was talking about?
Yeah, so this one's got 500 miles on it.
Yeah.
I've got.
Really?
I was thinking about doing an IROC collection
Yeah.
for January.
Okay.
So this one with 500 miles, a convertible, and then I've got black, one owner. It's got 50,000 miles. It's a convertible.
Okay.
It's a super nice car. The one above it's got 20,000 miles. It's a 350 T-top car. And then Then I have a black and gold one. It's got 17,000 original
I
miles.
think that 500-mile convertible breaks the bank. I mean, those things right now are just, oh, God. That's what everybody wants. You know, like for me, I was a Fox body guy, so that's what I buy a lot of. But I have a lot of respect for these cars because they were just cool cars back in the day.
Big block, 4-speed, tack gauges, and it's the 375 horse. It's got 12,000 original miles on it, the blue one. It went through Barrett a long time ago. And I got it from the estate. It was a customer of mine here in northern Nebraska. He passed away. I bought all of his cars, and that was a prized possession out of the collection.
That is beautiful. I love it. Thanks,
4-speed?
Actually, an original auto, but it's got a 5-speed overdrive in it now.
Where's it come from? From the house. Really?
I love that blue.
You know what I'm asking?
This is a 5-speed now.
This is your
for a while.
So original automatic air car, but
Yeah,
they
now
swapped it to a
5-speed. I think you can drive it.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, this thing is a blast.
Yeah.
How far away is Speedway Auto? Ed's blowing me up.
Yeah, we better head over.
We should go over there, and then we're going to Speedway. We could come back after Speedway before we go into town to go to dinner.
Pull those and park them down here so he could do a little thing with them. Sure.
With you?
Yeah.
Yeah, be great.
Hi guys, thanks for watching the video. It was a pleasure to get Barrett Jackson to actually stop in here, see the shop, have all the guys get to hang out and see everything we had going on here when they came through for their road tour recently. This weekend we have the Barrett Jackson auction in Houston, Texas. So we have 3 vehicles going down there. We got a 70 Z28 Camaro, a 78 black Chevy Blazer with red interior, and then we have a K10 short bed pickup 4-wheel drive from California that's all patinaed and stuff. Anyway, all the details on this video, so you can check it out, and online on our website, Facebook, Instagram. Check it out, and we'll see you at the auction.